So if you want to add Instagram link to YouTube description, this video is for you. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add your Instagram profile link to your YouTube channel description. After you open up your phone now, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store and download this app. As you can see now, go and download for, as you can see now, YouTube Studio. Go and search for YouTube Studio. After you download the YouTube Studio, now go to your Instagram and copy the Instagram profile link. So after you open up your Instagram like this now, as you can see now, go to your profile like this. After you open up your profile like this now, here is long press now your hand on your profile and copy your profile link. As you can see now, this one copy. So now I copy my profile link of my Instagram. So now if you want to add it to your YouTube channel, all you have to do now, go and open up the YouTube Studio app, this one. After you open the YouTube Studio app like this now, all you have to do now, allow it to finish loading. So for the first time now, it will ask you to log in. Now make sure to log into this YouTube Studio app using the YouTube channel email address. As you can see now, go and log in YouTube using the YouTube channel email address. After you log in, all you have to do now, tap on this, as you can see now, this profile at the top right side. After you tap on this profile now, tap on this little pencil icon, this one. So in this section now, tap on this links. As you can see now, this links, tap on it. So in this section now, all you have to do now, tap on this add link. So in this section now, tap on this, go and type in Instagram. After you tap on Instagram now, come to this section and paste in your link. Now paste in your link. After you paste your link in this section now, tap on this done button. So as you can see now, tap on this save button. So as you can see now, I add the link into my YouTube channel. So if you want to just view the link now, close and go to YouTube. So I'll just search for the channel now. So here is the channel now. So tap on this see more. So as you can see now here is the YouTube channel. As you can see now here is the Instagram link. So tap on it like this. So now it will open Instagram for you on your YouTube channel. That's it guys on how to add Instagram link to YouTube description. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.